Hi everyone, we are here with Mr. Nilesh, and he's the proud owner of the Windsor EV, and we are here in conversation with him to know the kind of difference the car has made, after he has shifted to an EV after an ICE vehicle. So if you could please, guide the audience around that, why did you make this choice and what sort of difference has it brought into your life?
I made this choice of Windsor EV primarily because I had to purchase a vehicle, and there was no choice except for going ahead with the latest of technology, that is EV, or could have been some other hybrid form of vehicle, and not a typical petrol or a diesel kind of a vehicle, because they actually in the process of being phased out, either phased out directly or you do not get fuel for them in times to come. So that was a simple reason why I went ahead with EV.
Okay, great. So in terms of, we're sitting in a MG car and we know it's got a lot of connected features and everything else that, people wouldn't have on their tips of fingers when it comes to the ICE vehicles, right? So it's more like a smart car. So how has the experience of the voice commands plus, everything else has been, directly contributing to your brand experience?
When it comes to voice commands, what's happening is it's a learning curve for MG as well, because they are also in the process of learning. Only typical commands are accepted. For example, I can just demonstrate. If you say increase the fan speed,
Apologies, I'm continuously learning. Please try a different command.
Increase the fan speed.
Fan speed has been increased.
Decrease
I'm listening.
Decrease the fan speed.
Fan speed has been decreased.
So sometime it takes a command, sometime it doesn't. So it's a learning curve, and you have to speak in the language which machine understands.
Okay, so
That's
your
the
accent
typicality.
has to be in.
Plus, you have to use the same words which machine understands. So it's in a learning phase, and it would rather be in a continuous learning phase over a period of the next few years.
Till it kind of excels
the time it understands the NLP, that is the natural language processing. It does it completely. Only after that it will be able to process everything, each and everything.
But how do the features kind of appeal to you?
Well, I'm not a very feature inclined kind of a person. What I like more in a car is the dynamics of it.
Okay.
And somehow this car actually lacks on the dynamics of it. That means the suspension and the handling part of it. Otherwise, this car is quite a bland product when it comes to riding. It has got absolutely no driving dynamics as compared to its German German rivals. The typical driving dynamic feel that they have. This car actually lacks in all those aspects. It's a pretty bland car.
Okay. All right. Okay, thank you, Mr.
Yeah.
Nilesh. It was a great conversation with you.
Same here.
Thank you once
Right.
again. Okay, so hi, we are here with Mrs. Disha. She owns the Windsor EV along with Mr. Nilesh, and we are here to know what kind of experience she has had with the car so far.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel is good about the car? Let's talk about the goods, then we'll come to the bads as well.
Actually, I love this car, and there is everything good for me. So there are no bads. So
What is the best feature that you can't live without in this car? What is the one feature that you end up using most of the times?
the feature. I actually love to sit in the car and relax, and it has got a good leg space. So I love that thing.
Okay.
And when I have to drive, it's okay driving. It's okay with all the cars, but the luxury which it serves, like the big camera sitting on the other side of the car is the best part.
Great. So, when you made this switch from ICE vehicles to electric vehicle, what was your primary thought process behind it? Was it to make a conscious, sustainable choice, or you just like the look and feel and how luxurious the car feels?
See, I had to spend every time in a fifth day or so. I used to fuel the car. Now I don't have to do anything. So
Yeah,
it's like
so that's
the
one
best
big
part.
yes.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
use it in some other things.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, of course. All the
amount,
money that is saved.
the
that
money
is
which
one
is
big,
saved is the best
Yeah.
part.
Yes. Yes.
So that was the main reason to
main
switch to
reason.
EV.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. And I am sure your kid enjoys the car as much as you do.
Yeah, they love it. They
love
enjoy
it?
the music. They love the
Uh-huh.
space, and like they even lie down like the back. The back seat also just you can just push it down,
Down
and
and
then
it
you can
kind of
like
converts
relax.
into a
Yeah,
recliner or
uh-huh.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how happy are you with the voice commands?
Voice commands are okay. They are working on it.
Mhm.
I think like Hector has a better voice command than this.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. So thank you so much. We were really looking forward to this review with you.
Yeah,
And
thank
I hope the audience gets out of it
Yeah.
the
Sure.
kind of inputs they want, whether they want to buy
I
this
would
car or
say
not.
they should buy something EV.
Mhm.
It will be better for their future.
That's true. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.